The next one is picture sorting. So as you can see on the right side, I've included a worksheet. So this is something that you'd probably see in your own classroom, right? Very typical worksheet. So the student basically has to fill in the missing words, draw the face, the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and so forth. And we can sort of call this picture sorting, okay? So picture sorting can be integrated activities by providing students with sets of pictures representing different characters, objects, or settings. For example, in a scene about shopping, students can sort pictures of clothing items and store locations before acting out the dialogue. So there's different ways that you can incorporate picture sorting into your classroom, and I'm going to take you through one of them. As you can see at the bottom is student type. It's great for independent, hands-on learners, problem solving, critical thinking, and so forth. Age level suitable for 5 to 12 years old. And the goal is to provide context for pictures and words in different scenarios. Okay.